Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie. This is what my last week looked like. It filled up. Ended up getting together with my friends on Friday. I did add in some menu items of things that we did for our dinners. I did a lot of cleaning on Saturday morning because I ended up having all my friends over because my brother-in-law, who went to school with me, had come up from Texas. So we all got together and had a fire pit, and it was unseasonably warm here in Maine, and we watched the full moon rise and just had a great time enjoying each other's company. So for this week, I've tried to carry the theme over because it is a split October-November. I decided to just stop here. I did put the goals here for my week, and then I started here for November, and it's going to look pretty blank until I do some work this week on it, but you'll get to see that next week anyway. So I'm going to put down things that I am going to be planning on doing. We're doing burritos for supper. This week is Halloween. I know I'm having a trick-or-treater. I already had a trick-or-treater come on the weekend because they had asked my little nephews, great-nephews, and great-great-nephew. One of them came this weekend because during the week it's just too hard with both parents working, trying to get out. And so we got to see him, and that was wonderful. We do have some other food planned this week because we're going to do the burritos tonight. We have stuff to do, chicken, and we also have something to do, some mac and cheese. So I'm not sure how that's going to go on. On Wednesday, we have our usual early release day at school. We don't have anything planned, but because my brother-in-law is up, we will probably be, doing some food things with him and my mother-in-law, and, hanging out more with them probably towards Friday and Saturday, because just during the week we're just too wiped out. I'm trying to stick with the orange. This is actually a deep yellow, even though it looks much more of a orange or a kind of a brownie orange. It's actually kind of like a mustardy yellow on the pen itself. I have not decided how I want to go with my theme for November. I may end up using washi tape and some stickers and things, but at this point, I've just got this washi tape. It's leaving me some space here. I'm leaving these lines for some doodles if I want to. I've also left some white space for writing, for thankfulness, because for me, when you're talking about the month for Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for more than just that it's that it's Thanksgiving. That's not what I think of. I think of my ancestors and my family and the things, the privileges that we are lucky enough to have, and that I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for this life that I've been given. Excuse me. So at this point, I don't have a lot to add in. This is just a little bit of a different format. I may put more words in here. I may put more just drawings and doodles. I love still to put in leaves and trees and some flowers. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like for this week. And like that, it is a split because it's the end of October and the beginning of November. And November's is kind of blank yet. I did get my tab put in. But I'll be switching over. I think I'm going to use less washi tape and do a little more doodling this month. But we'll see. Depends on how busy things get. I just want to say thank you to those people who have subscribed and supported me with their words and their kindness. I appreciate it so much. I just love this community. I feel like the creativeness and the heart of people that are in this community of artists and creators is overwhelming. I appreciate you so much. It just makes me so happy. It fills my cup to get to hear your kind words. So I appreciate you and I'm thankful for you. I hope you all have a great week. And, you know, for all of the Mainers out there, especially our neighbors in Lewiston and Auburn and the surrounding areas there, let's get the healing started. And yeah, I love you all. Thanks.